How to enable two-factor authentication on Lloyds Bank app. To enable two-factor authentication on Lloyds Bank app, you want to ensure your phone number is updated, then activate biometric as well within the app. So first thing first, you want to open a Lloyds banking app on your mobile device. So after you're logged into your account, you want to make sure that your mobile number is updated in the app to receive a security code. And what you need is head over to your settings on your device or within the Lloyds Bank. And in the top right hand side corner of the account overview page, you want to select Face ID or Fingerprint. When prompted during login, you want to trust your frequently used device, mobile or computer to set or to serve as a two-factor authentication. When shopping online, you may be asked to authorize transaction using the app or by entering a one-time passcode sent by SMS as well. And likewise, you could also go ahead and enable any sort of third-party app in order to set up two-factor authentication as well. So this is how you're going to enable two-factor authentication. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.